Bring it back.
Good morning, Panthers. Welcome to the WPNN. My name is Zoe.
And my name is Nora. It's a terrific day to be a Panther.
Are you interested in playing tennis? There will be a tennis meeting this Thursday, December 14th, for anyone who's interested in trying out for the boys or girls tennis teams.
The meeting will be from 3:40 p.m. to 4 p.m. in room 6113. If you have any questions, please see Coach Edwards.
Hey, did you know that Miss Dorian is looking for short stories, poems, art, and essays for Heritage High School's magazine?
If you have anything school appropriate that you have written or drawn, submit your work to tamara@brevardschools.org. When submitting, in the subject line include the following: magazine/category.last name.
The due date for this submission into the magazine is next Monday, December 19th. We can't wait to see your work in our magazine.
Panthers, we are a clothing, food, and toiletries drive here at Heritage to benefit the Daily Bread Pantry and Homeless Shelter. This will continue until Friday, December 15th.
If you would like to donate any new or gently used clothes, unopened food items, and or toiletries, you may bring any of these items to donate during A, B, or C lunch this week.
Heritage events today are: our choir concert is tonight at 7 p.m. in the auditorium. The price is free, donations accepted.
Our girls soccer will play Satellite High here at home. JV plays at 5:30 and varsity plays at 7 p.m.
Our girls basketball will be at Palm Bay tonight. JV plays at 5:30 and varsity plays at 7:15 p.m.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!